Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Glitter Bitch. This is TRISHA PAYTAS' subscription, and this is only the second box that's been out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, show you what's inside. So we did get a product card this time. Don't believe we got one last time. And this has all the retail values and a picture of the products with some more information. Backside is a picture of her. This is also the top of the box on the inside as well. So let's take a look. I got a lot of hate for my subscription unboxing last time, which I never do on my channel, so it just shows me that she has a bunch of people that just like hate follow her and trash whatever she does, which is whatever. A lot of people were claiming the products in the box you could get for like 99 cents on Wish. I didn't even know what that was, and I went and looked, and that's not even true. So, yes, it is a more pricey subscription box, but like the popcorn maker and stuff, that's like $15 on Amazon, and I use that thing all the time. So anyways, besides the point, I kind of enjoyed it, so I'm just going to get a couple and see what they're like. So the first item I'm pulling out is a little makeup sponge. So the packaging does have her logo on it, but it's just a light pink color. And of course, I can always use more makeup sponges. And this, it says it retails for $5. It's latex free and eco-friendly, washable and reusable. So I got that. Also, Clean It Zero. This is a cleansing balm. This is what it looks like on the inside. Cute packaging. It says it retails for $19. It's a 3-in-1 cleansing balm, hypoallergenic cleanser that transforms from a sherbet-like texture into a smooth oil. Oh, interesting. Definitely try that out. Yeah, it's real soft, but it kind of like melts once it warms up with your skin. Interesting. It says it's developed to remove even waterproof makeup. It looks like they have a little plastic scooper that you can dig in there with. So I will definitely use that. So far, so good. Next up, we have GlamLite Miracle. This is an eyeshadow palette. Here's what it looks like outside of the box. And here are the colors. Not too bad. There are some neutral colors in there. A lot of pinks and purples though, so I'll definitely probably use some of them at least. Not too bad. And I'm not familiar with that brand for the palette, but it does say that it retails for $28. So the next item is also branded, and it looks like some type of glitter. It says it retails for $16, and it's a glitter lip gloss. And it is very glittery. Not sure that it retails for $16, but yeah, I'll still use it. Okay, and then this next product, this cup, she actually showed that in one of her recent videos. Product in there, and it does have the logo, but it's kind of cute because it's pink and it has all this glitter in it that floats around. Actually, it doesn't float around because there's no liquid in there, but it kind of sticks to the mug. And then, of course, has the lid that goes on it. And then I don't know if there's a straw in here. So there is a straw in here that goes with it. Plastic straw that's wrapped separately. And it says this retails for $15. It's double-walled, BPA free. There's a few products left. Next up we have Lunatics. This is called Moon Dust. Looks like a pink loose glitter, and it retails for $9.99. It says it can be used on your skin, hair, and nails. It's body safe and non-toxic. I'm not really too much into glitter, so that's probably not a product I would use, but I get that it goes with like her theme, so that's cool. And the last product in here is a bath bomb called Pretty in Pink. Litzy and coconut. I don't know what Litzy is, or if I'm even saying that right, but let me take a sniff of it. Ooh. That actually smells really good. So it's a pretty solid bath bomb. Looks like there's a little bit of glitter in it. And according to the card, it retails for $8. It says it's handmade in Hollywood. I'll give you a little up close here. of the product card so that you can see it. So again, I mean, this is a more expensive subscription box. It's up to you if you think it's worth it based on if you're going to use the products or not. This one maybe has some more. I mean, I'll definitely use the bath bomb, probably the cup, the cleanser, the makeup sponge. So it might be worth it. I'll continue to get a couple more just so I can review them. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.